In this video, we will present Evonik's high-performance systems for epoxy-modified cementitious concrete coatings, or EMC. This technology is based on our innovative products, Anquamine 287 curing agent and Ancarez AR462 specialty resin. The main benefit of this EMC epoxy-modified concrete coating system is that by adding as little as 5% of epoxy binder to a cementitious concrete, you significantly increase performance properties of concrete coatings, including compressive strength, adhesion, and thermal shock resistance. Additionally, because the material has low viscosity and good flow and leveling properties, applicators will find that it's easy to prepare and install. This video shows the real-time preparation and application of our epoxy-modified cementitious concrete coating formulation in the lab. First, we mix Part A and Part B, which are Evonik's Ancarez AR462 and formulated Anquamine 287 in a 1:2 weight ratio for just a few minutes. We then add Part C, a cementitious aggregate mix. After additional mixing, we pour the system on a concrete block. Again, because of its superior flow properties, it spreads very well, and that makes leveling easy. In the final step, we go over the coating with a spike roller to de-aerate and obtain a good smooth surface. After 6 to 8 hours, the coating is ready to walk on. These systems could be prepared as unpigmented or pigmented coatings depending on the application you need. This video shows applicators preparing and installing our epoxy-modified cementitious concrete coatings in the field. We start with mixing all the parts in the same order as we did in the lab until the mixture is homogeneous. Then we pour the mix onto the floor and spread by squeegee or trowel. Again, it's very easy to apply this material due to its low viscosity and good flow. The finished coating can be as thick as 1/4 inch. Full hardness of the system can be achieved within 24 hours after application, providing users with an excellent finished flooring, thanks to Evonik's EMC system. For more information on these products, please visit our website at evonik.com/crosslinkers.
Evonik. Power to create.